Alright, here's an easy way to get your pillows really clean. If you've got kids with asthma or you're allergic to dust mites or household dust or anything like that, you want to get your pillows real clean because you sleep on them all night. Here's a real quick way. It doesn't take very much. You need a plastic trash bag. You need a vacuum cleaner with a hose on it. Real simple. Step one, fold your pillow in half and tuck it inside the bag. Now, you're going to do this twice. First off, you're going to bunch up the end like this. And then you're going to push this hose through here. Now, the first time you do it, push it to the outside of the pillow, press it down against the pillow like that, and then turn on your vacuum cleaner. Now, see what the vacuum cleaner is doing? There you go. Suck the pillow up into this little hard block. Turn it off, pull out the hose, open the bag, and the pillow fluffs right back up. Now, this time you're going to go to the inside of the pillow, tuck it inside, fold the pillow over. Again, bunch it up around the neck and hold it. Start the vacuum cleaner, and it turns the pillow into a hard brick, like that. And when it's sucked all the air out it can suck, simply turn it off, pull out the hose, open the bag, your pillow fluffs right back up. When you're done with your pillow, cleaning it up, simply take an antimicrobial spray, spray it on both sides, spray it on your bed, turn on the fan overhead, and let her dry. There goes the fan.